How to get notification using Go on Transit app. Hello everybody, in this video you would learn how you can get notifications using Go on Transit app. To receive notifications about your trip using the Transit app's Go feature, follow these following steps. First step is to open the Transit app. Then after opening the app on your device, you'll be brought to the main screen where you can see transit lines as long as with the departure times. So you can now select the transit line you will be taking from the list, or you can search for the line by typing its name in the search bar at the lowest part of the screen here. So whichever one, just select it. After you've gotten the transit line, on the transit lines page where you can see details about the line, you would see the Go option. So tap on it. After tapping on Go, at the bottom of the screen you'll be asked to select your destination and stop. Your destination stop, select it, and then after that you'll receive a notification when it's time to get off. Now you'll receive a notification when it's time to get off if you tap on the Go icon, all right, for that particular line. So this is it. Okay, this is how you can get notifications using Go on Transit app. Just ensure you always select it, and you must know that Go runs in the background, all right, using voice notifications, so you can focus on your music or take a nap without worrying about missing your stop. Okay, thank you and have a good day.